Hey everyone, this is Katerina, and we're back with Ideogram.ai, and I'm going to show you a little trick. When you're on the home screen, just go over here and click on there and type in coloring page. Click enter. And it's going to show you all these different coloring pages, right? They're very cute. So if you want to do something similar to this, click on it. Click on it. And then it's going to show you the exact prompt. So you can just copy it and then go back here and you can paste that in. So coloring page for toddler of cute kitten with smiling face playing with butterfly, bold lines, cartoon style, black and white, minimalist white background. All right, now if you wanted this to be a cute puppy, you can do that. And then you click generate. And look how great these look. Nice. Cool. I mean, they come up with some really nice shots. And if you don't like it, you can remix it. Do that again. And it'll come up with 4 more ones. And that's how easy it is. So if you see something on here that you like, you can always get the prompt and use it yourself. There's no problem doing that. And as you see, it's created another one here, there. Beautiful. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.